Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a rear light on Opel Astra. Okay, so this is the lights cabinet. We need to remove the cap. And then we have to unscrew 3 white caps, okay, with your hand. And after that you can pull it off, pull all the lights off and disconnect all the lights. Okay, now you need to open so remove 3 screws, Phillips screwdriver. And the third one is below this black foam. Underneath. Okay, after that the cover will come loose, really easy. And the lights are attached, okay? So as you can see, the left one is the one that I will be replacing. And on the right I should also replace this one, but it's working, but it's really bad to pull it off without breaking it, so I will leave it on until it goes off. Okay, so be careful. I broke one of the plastic on the side. Try not to break yours. Okay, this one is really fucked up. Okay, now we have to do the reverse process. So put back the lamps, screw the 3 screwdrivers, 3 screws, put the black foam, okay. Now before reattach the light to the car, test it to see if everything is working. Yeah, okay, so it's working. Nice job. And now you can put back those white caps. Okay, don't forget to like the video if this video helped you, and have a look at the other tutorials, and if you like, subscribe the channel. Okay, okay, this is how you do tail light replacement, and as you can see, it's fully working. So thank you for watching the video, and bye.